Alright, so the cylinder head finally arrived, and here it is. This is the same cylinder head that had the crack. So we had the crack machined out, re-welded, and then machined. And the crack was in the location of cylinder number 1 here in the spark plug recess. We also have a valve job that's been done on this, some new seals, and it's also been resurfaced. So here is the surface that mates with the engine, and you can tell that this is a really beautiful job. It's just like a mirror. Finally come time to install the cylinder heads. I've got the engine set to top dead center for piston number 1, and as a next step, you'll notice right here this opening. This is for the chain tensioner for the intermediate shaft, and what we need to do is we need to install one of the special tools here. There's one special tool that I wasn't able to make. This is it. It's actually 3 in a set. This is Porsche Special Tool 9599. These are the original auxiliary chain tensioners. And the idea is that you thread these into where the chain tensioners would normally go. And there's a plunger here at the bottom. There's some springs inside, and as you tighten this down, it puts a prescribed amount of force on the actual chains, and you adjust it with this nut up here at the top to just the right amount of force. So what we need to do at this point is install one of these here. You'll notice there's a little pin that comes through right here, or it could potentially also be inside. The idea here with this tool is that you want to carefully adjust this screw until the tip of this pin and the surface of this bolt become perfectly flush with each other. So I'm just kind of feeling for it right here as I'm turning it. And right there. Okay, so that is the perfect amount of force on the intermediate shaft chain.